This is an important message from the American coaster enthusiasts.
Oh, hi. Sorry. Welcome to the Circuit of the Americas and the world premiere of the Legacy of Schwarzkopf. Now, the producers asked me to let you guys know that during this presentation, you're definitely going to be seeing a little bit of this. And you're also going to be seeing a little bit of this. And you're going to be seeing a lot of this. So if you are susceptible to motion sickness and you start getting a queasy feeling, just close your eyes and you should be okay. So we thank you for your cooperation and your understanding in this matter. Now, that being said, please make sure you are seated comfortably in your seat. Your seatbelt is fastened, your lap bar is down and locked. Please secure all loose articles. Keep your hands inside your chair at all times and keep your head against the headrest at all times during the ride. All right, now enjoy the Legacy of Schwarzkopf.
This is an important message from the American coaster enthusiasts.
Hi. Oh, sorry. Lost my hat back there. Hey, welcome to Fun Spot America and this presentation of the Legacy of Schwarzkopf. Now, the producers have asked me to come tell those of you who are susceptible to motion sickness to be prepared because you're going to see a little bit of this. And you're going to see a little bit of this. And you're most definitely going to see a lot of this. So if you start getting that queasy feeling, just close your eyes for a couple seconds and you should be okay. Now, with that being said, please make sure you are seated comfortably. Your seat belt is fastened. Your lap bars are down and locked. Please keep your arms and hands inside your chair at all times. Secure all loose articles and keep your head against the headrest at all times during the ride. And now please enjoy the Legacy of Schwarzkopf.